Google Keep and Tasks are two different apps with bit of similarity. If you're looking for the comparison, you have landed at the right place. So let's get into it. So what's the main difference here? Google Keep is a note-taking program that supports collaboration and reminders, whereas Google Tasks is mainly a to-do app that allows you to create and complete tasks. The app is only for individuals as it does not support collaboration as Keep does. Google Keep is beneficial for anyone who's wishing to write down their thoughts or something memorable like addresses, account numbers, or movie wish lists. One of the best things about Google Keep is its simplicity. Compared to other note-taking apps, it's one of the easiest on the planet. You can add checklists, pictures, reminders, drawings, and some other things to create notes. The website of Google Keep lets you take text from an image. Google Keep also has labels. Those allow you to separate type of notes. You can create labels like personal and work and see the assigned notes in a separate section. Google Tasks, on the contrary, is for creating and assigning tasks. For example, sending flowers to your girlfriend, or writing a script for your next video, or anything else that you want to be reminded of. The problem with the app is that there's no desktop interface. You can use Gmail, Sheets, and other Google websites by clicking on this Tasks button. The options are the same as you see in its mobile app. Now, like Google Keeps labels, we have lists on Google Tasks. You can create multiple lists. Also, one task can be moved from one list to another. At this point, you know that both support reminders. However, there are a few differences. With Google Keep, you can set one reminder per note at a time. The app lets you set a date and time and adjust the repeat option. One thing great about Google Keep is that it supports location reminders. You can set the place and you will be reminded when you are near that location. For that to work, the location must be enabled. With Google Tasks, you can add subtasks and task descriptions, but it does not have the location reminder option, which is not a drawback considering its purpose. Now, if you use Google Calendar, you can see your tasks and keep reminders in Calendar, which is handy if you have the calendar widget. Now, the main question is, which one should you choose? As I said earlier, Google Keep is for taking notes. So if you need an app to do that, go with Google Keep. The app offers simple reminder options which can help from time to time. If you need an app to add tasks and get notifications about those tasks, then Google Tasks is the app you need. Either way, you won't be disappointed. Anyway, this is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button. I'll catch you later. Take care.